to learn how to draw grids with diagonals but don't know how to. So in today's video I am going to tell you some tips and some steps that you can use to draw grids. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and this video is going to be series of 3 videos, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So we are going to come up with this other parts. So make sure you subscribe Shruti and press the bell icon for notifications for my ahead part of this series. So now let's just start the video. So let me show you that what are diagonals. So if you are getting and imagining an square, okay, here we have a square and there are 2 lines in between which intersects in the center of the square. So both that are known as diagonals. So I'm not a mathematician guys, but I know something about it, so just I'm telling you. You can see about 70%, like more than 70% are non-subscribed. So make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts. We are going to complete 1000 subscribers soon and I'm happy for that, and I'm happy for you people that you are responding with me. Why you should use grids? So grids are important because if you are taking a commission work, if someone is paying for it, then you should know that your work should be on point and you should be accurate at your work, and the person who is paying for it should love that you need to use grids. And if you don't know how to draw grids, I'm going to tell you in this video. Great. So we will start by downloading an app which is called Artist Grid. Like you will search on Play Store, Google Play Store, Grid Maker for Artist. So after searching this, you will get this app, Drawing Grids for the Artist, and here it is how it looks like. So what you will do, just install this one. I have already installed, so I'm just going to open it directly. So you will see window like this. So what you will do, I will click on the folder app, and here you will see I have different orientations, paper size. So you will select vertical, or if you want you can select horizontal too, and here paper size there are different. So if you want custom, you can select the custom option, and here you can add the width and the height. So it's up to you that what you have to add. So I'm going to go for 27 width, and for about height I'm going to go for 34. That is my paper size of drawing this Thor portrait. So I will just go to my gallery and select the image I want, and just as you can see I will just crop it. This is the size. So like this I'll just crop it up, and at the corner you can see this crop option. I will click on it. So here, why is this looking? Because the size of the cell is just 40 mm. So you will add here 5, 4, so like that your grid will be visible to you. So if I just wrote here 6, then as you can see I have some more bigger grids. If you want small grids, you can add 1, you can add 2, it's up to your choice. So if I just scroll down, you can see there is stroke. So by this you can reduce or you can increase the thickness of the stroke on the image, by which the grids will be easily visible to you. So here you have different options, you can tick over there. So if I just tick on diagonal, you will see I have got diagonals in between of the grids. If I just go for pizza, you can see over there are some slices, so I will just cancel that. And if I just click on label, you can see all over I have applied the label and I can see the label properly. So like this you can try this app. I really recommend it out. This is not sponsored video, but I really like this app and I use this for grids. So like this you can use or reduce all the things, like you can make the changes for the strokes, for the cell size. And if you don't want diagonal, just uncheck the diagonal option at above of the screen. And at last what you will do is going to save the photo to your gallery. So I will just scroll down. I'm just making this a bit changes in it. So at last what you will do, you will just scroll down by going to option and just save this photo. So I'll show you that how you can do that too. To save the photo, you will go to options, you will drag down, and here you will see save photo option. I will just click on it and my photo will be saved to my gallery. So now what I will do is I will just do some calculations on calculator. So just see the calculation I'm writing on the phone and as well as writing downside, by which you will understand what I'm doing to draw grids. So as here I have about 7 grids horizontal, so I will just divide 27 by 7. You will see the measurement is 3.9. and as my grids are in square, so my measurement of each section, each box will be 3.9. And if I just do like 34.5 divided by 9, you will see 3.9. So that's my complete measurement. So I hope you understand what I'm saying, that you have to divide your horizontal measurement with how many columns, that is how many grids you have, and you have to do same with horizontal. So I'm using mechanical pencil and scale here. What I will do is I will keep scale on my paper and mark every section, that is 3.9, and like this I will take measure of every column, that is every grid, doing it horizontally as well as vertically. So you will see ahead how I am doing that, so just see properly what I am doing, otherwise you will just get a bit confused. So now I am marking every point, that is 3.9, then I will mark 7.8, and then I will do it vertically and complete all the section with marking of 3.9, 3.9 like this. So I hope you are understanding what I want to say. I will do the same thing horizontally, so let's see how you can do it. So now I will just draw lines. So as I have marked everywhere 3.9 measurement, so now it's time to draw lines. So I will just keep my scale on every single point and then draw a straight line and draw my grids vertically and horizontally as I have marked. So now I will draw grids which will cover every opposite point, that is every 2 points of the square, which will give me a slanting line from each square. So I will just keep scale like this, which will cover all the points, and just draw a straight line. So like this you will cover all the squares with this slanting line, and after this direction is over you will go for the other direction, by which you will get 2 grid lines. You will get 2 diagonal lines for every square. this video was suggested in the comment section by one of my subscriber. So if you want to suggest any art tutorial, you can just tell me. And as you can see now, I am just adding the labels. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, make sure to hit the like button, comment down and share this video with all your friends.